Au na numa saran dio dina ko dio ekta kinala ni
Moana.
Iya. Pasar tu kaya mana? Kalau aus palang isau nama ka anak kana sana baro teke buana dana ngona leka ngo.
Pelangi Ena VTFM K0 Bites, quality product from Punjas Biscuits.
Ibrahim Red Bull Menaka, welcome to Outs Pelangi Show.
Right.
Tuesday morning.
Okay.
Last day before we
Christmas.
Don't move.
Ho ho ho.
Happy Christmas Eve, Happy Christmas Eve.
Don't move. Bikin kata, bikin tebak sih bikin ini nonton Outs Pelangi Show.
Right. And a very good morning to everyone tuning in this morning. I am Father Christmas from Christmas Island. Big Bola Menaka to all of those tuning in the car, in the bus. In the minibus, in the taxi, on top of the horse, riding the bike, wherever you are, we are this morning. Right. Right.
Kakalan di nasa paraw sa tunganggo.
Of course.
Baka lang ito na boli-boli osan ring ito na bitaon ni.
Oh,
bakan tua.
Tuno Eleanor na matakin ko kita una sigin sa tungo kita kakan jina rochi.
No. Na diwali ko.
Ya mamulu tani mi kemni sara na ndrebo ni tolili. And another way tolingo ni salo ni sama chiku mai. Wakili chiku no toni uda. Heavy rain in Fiji. As advised from the weather forecast in Nandi. Weather forecast, yeah. They're saying that we will experience the heavy rainfall, heavy downfall, and there can be flooded. In the lower line areas. So be careful. Stay with the family. Stay calm.
Take precautions.
Kata-kata dari univision in rakyat siko. So we kata plan tak cuma tak lobo. Plan B me on juga na mata di kuah. Na maru tak cuma plan na kasa ya letak cuma ira. Kento na kana lobo na sini situ.
Can you just give me that one paper there?
This one.
This is the dedication. Yesterday I was in Wanimuka in the night. Delasui, I want to say good morning to Talile Vermo and Tui Matio. One time, myself and this one, we were running one rugby team. The fellow was the coach, myself was the manager. And the team bankrupt.
Because the manager no rugby.
No fun.
We started the team. We play. After that, all the young one join. Okay, we promote. This Tui Mateo promote to coach, myself manager. Not 1 month we were running. The team bankrupt. Wabul chika ni team Mateo mula nakamaku. Veremi
misuse of funds.
No, not enough funds. Veremi aka Chuck. Yan Rabinaka.
Chuck Norris.
Do sulit mula Rabinaka. We 7 aya Palacio Village and Victoria tuning all the way from Delasui village in Tailebu Totka. Very nice grog. You know the grog this time when we go out during this festive season, there are lots and lots of grog. Myself, I know the taste of grog. I know. When I drink grog like this, I know that this grog is there for long.
Sanzina.
Wow.
This grog is
experience.
My name is Volici.
I'm the grog.
Okay.
I'm everywhere.
Right.
Like yesterday when I went to Delasui, drop my nephew and the family.
You can tell fresh grog.
Fresh grog. When I was outside, I look like this. I see the basin.
Fresh.
Very fresh. It was nice. You know, this morning, I woke up early and I was fresh.
Maybe the wine, eh?
Keep it cool. Keep it cool.
Secret.
Okay. Nanti tell no mata.
Hey, I forgot the story. What's the story?
Goat.
Hey, plenty people going around now. I saw Matagali, Apakuki, putting up the post, someone there, break here, break there, a lot of breaking, and a lot of breaking other kids. This is in Bonolebu.
Choro here, choro there.
Choro here, choro there. This is in Bonolebu. This fella always afraid of the police. Anyone to murmuringashi.
Right.
If they went in one farm, they saw one goat, what you call?
Tangle.
Tangle the rope in the weavau. So they
Iya.
They went and want to do the party during the Christmas season. After 1 week, their houses in Lamasa, the houses are just near, neighbor to each other. And during Christmas season, we are very thankful to the police. They always go around. Yes, man, very good work. And after 1 week, like New Year time, the police are doing their just normal patrol around the settlement. Yeah, walking around. Hey, say hi.
The policeman here. She knows better.
This one, the Randiri CID. They were going around. And this fella saw the police coming towards their house. But the police are just doing their normal visitation around the
area.
And the fella ran.
He thought they coming after him.
The fella thought coming after him because of the goat. The fella ran down like this. Stop. The fella looked back. The two police officers still following the fella. The fella ran again like this. The fella ski. Slide like this. And one house there.
This guy.
Just beside one house there, one corner sapana. The fella want to hide there. And the fella ran like this. In the corner of that house, there's a nail. Second to give me they never think they smack it nicely so that the thing can lombo. The thing is still hanging out. When the fellow wearing one big shirt, the fellow uncle shirt or tuku. And that the collar of the shirt. Boo! Hook the nail. The fellow thought saranga. The policeman came running after him.
Hang
the guy. When the nail hang, the fellow said, this fellow said, it's not only me, it was Seppo, Apenis, and Thomas. One gun,
and police officer only one goat.
And the fellow said, hey, leave me, it's not only me. It's Thomas and also Apenis. And the fellow looked like this. This was the nail. Right. Dina Sara. Right. Ndalo. Gori.
Ngata-ngata kina. Shop.
Gagaro ni kabinaka. Keep right.
Ngono mentangan ni boli-boli tahun Tangagaro ni Sara wasan ring itu kan tahun yo na kala na tomikingana no mu telefoni beka.
Good to see the Facebook, a lot of people selling the ndalo now. That's what we should do. When we have nothing to do, we plant. Christmas season like this, you can harvest.
Sweet money.
Don't go and harvest in someone else's car. No. Don't go and harvest in someone else's shop. And most people who are doing the harvest is asking the itoki. Man, I feel
land is there.
Come on.
How do you feel?
Man, I don't like to be for the Christmas. The marron the mula na kenda rai na kenda roka. And the people na showing wala kina and then abakarita gi kenda nga. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning. This is the last Ouch Palangi show before Christmas. Tomorrow is holiday. There will be no Ouch Palangi show. So we wish you a Merry Christmas. And we do hope that you will enjoy your Christmas this year, 2024. I am Mika Galumbola.